In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Perplexity AI for SEO. If you want a quick way to generate keyword ideas and organize them in a useful format, Perplexity can be a great starting point. In this example, we're using it to brainstorm long-tail SEO keywords for the topic of dog grooming at home. Long-tail keywords are especially helpful because they're more specific, often easier to rank for, and usually reflect clearer user intent. To begin, open Perplexity AI and go to the prompt box. This is where you'll tell the tool exactly what kind of output you want. The quality of your results depends heavily on how specific your prompt is, so it's worth being clear and detailed right from the start. In the prompt field, type, generate a list of long-tail SEO keywords for dog grooming at home with search intent labels and difficulty levels. This prompt works well because it does more than just ask for keywords. It also tells Perplexity to categorize each keyword by search intent and to estimate difficulty. That extra context makes the output much more useful for SEO planning. Search intent labels can help you understand whether someone is looking for information, comparing options, or ready to take action. Difficulty levels give you a rough sense of which keywords may be more realistic to target, especially if your site is newer or has lower authority. As you enter the prompt, make sure everything is phrased clearly. If you ever use this process for another niche, the same structure still applies. Just replace the topic while keeping the request for long-tail keywords, intent labels, and difficulty levels. That way, you can use this method again and again for different industries or content strategies. Once the prompt is in place, click Submit. After you submit it, Perplexity will generate the results based on your request. At this stage, the main goal is to get a structured list that can support blog planning, content briefs, landing page ideas, or even FAQ sections. Because the prompt is specific, the response should be much more actionable than a generic keyword list. A useful tip here is to review the results with an SEO mindset. Look for keywords that match the audience you want to reach and pay attention to terms with strong intent and manageable difficulty. Those are often the best opportunities when building content. That's it. With just a well-written prompt and one click, you can use Perplexity AI to speed up keyword research and create a stronger foundation for your SEO strategy.